Hello everybody, my name is Jay Hurst. I'm product manager for Force.com Canvas, and today we wanted to show you a quick proof of concept for Canvas in the multi-dimensional publisher. So to set the background, what we have is a Concur app that we want to bring data from Concur and expose it on the publisher. If we go ahead and look at the overflow in the standard publisher, we now see an option for Canvas. When we click this, what it does is it shows the standard chatter, what are you working on section, along with the standard post section where I can share stuff to my followers or to a group. And in between those, it actually has a new section, which is the Canvas app itself. So this Canvas app is being hosted off-platform, in this case Heroku, but what it's doing is it's correlating a list of existing itineraries that I have associated with me. So if I wanted to share one of these with my followers, I could say, see you in Vegas. Then I would be able to select the Sales Kickoff Vegas. I could share it, share my itinerary. When I click share, what happens is the post message that I wrote in is there, along with all of the details of my flight. Now the details were pulled from that Canvas app. In this case it was hosted on Heroku, so it pulled the information out of Heroku, bundled it with my post, and then submitted it to my feed. The second idea that we wanted to tackle was this idea of not only having the Canvas in the multi-dimensional publisher, but having a Canvas item in the feed itself. So looking at the Canvas app again, what I would want to do is have an approval in my feed. So I have this release planning. Now for this demo, it's actually posting to my feed, but imagine it posting to my manager's feed. Please approve my trip to HQ. I change it from share itinerary to request approval. And now when I share it, what happens is all of that gets bundled, posted to my feed, and we see the message. Now, what we did to enable the Canvas is rather than just popping up the Canvas itself, we have a user-initiated action. So we'll see the Concur is now a clickable link. And when they click that, what happens is the Canvas app itself is displayed in Salesforce. Now from here, I have the ability to approve or deny it. And this is actually allowing me to approve it from my feed, and it's actually taking action off-platform. So the final thing is this idea of modes for a canvas. So when we look at the two individual canvases, these are actually both surfaced by the same endpoint URL. The difference being our lead developer, Chris Jolly, came up with this idea of different modes. So at the top we have a view mode where it views existing data from the third party, and the feed item is actually in edit mode where it allows you to edit data on that third-party app. Now for a little behind the scenes, if you're interested, this is using the standard connected app and Canvas app setup where we can go into create apps, look at the Concur app that we have set up, and inside you will see that it is indeed pointing to the Heroku app. Now this is being hosted on Heroku for this demo, but the idea would be that you could use any off-platform application. All you have to do is use the Canvas SDK and go from there. If you have any questions, please feel free to post on this chatter thread or contact me at jhurst@salesforce.com. Thanks again.